say that it's too late for us now? Why do we stay when I blink?
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I'll be giving you the details on this lovely unit that I have on. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. If you're not following me on my socials, make sure you follow me on my socials as well. I have them listed in the description box for you guys. Now, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today I am back with another wig review. Today I will be reviewing a wig from a company called Amanda Hair. So the writing is pink, so you guys may not see it. But this is a human hair company. This is what the unit looks like. We're going to get into what she looks like straight out of the package, and then I'll be right back to give you guys the details. Okay, so this wig did come with an elastic band that says Amanda Hair. It also came with a band that you can use to make the wig glueless. And then it came with some lashes. And this is my first time receiving one of these, but it came with some HD transparent wig caps, and I've never seen these before. You guys probably can't even see them. Like, it already looks like it's ball cap method ready, so I can't wait to try these. But I already have my wig cap on, so we're not going to get into that. And then they also have this little instruction card here that says Amanda's Hair, cashback time, all the details here, as well as their socials on the back. So this is what she is looking like. This is a 14-inch wig. It is 13 by 4. As you guys can see, I have already went in and cut the lace, and I have sprayed lace tint on there. The lace tint spray that I use is Red by Kiss. It is the lace tinting spray in medium brown. That tends to be my favorite shade. I have also went in and spruced the curls up some. I just used some water and my Twisted Sister 30-second curl spray, as well as my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foam Mousse. So I'm gonna go in. I did, she does come with the comb on each side. And there is one in the nape area as well as one at the top. And it does come with some adjustable straps. I have already tightened the straps. My hair is in 2 braids just for a reference of this video. I'm going to lay this on my head, and then we're gonna talk about her. Okay, so it does have the blonde highlights in the front. They are a little bit more coarse than the darker parts of the hair. I don't know if you guys can see that. They do still have the same curls, but it is a little bit more coarse. And of course, the highlights are only in the front, which is what I was going for, because it kind of gives you that skunk stripe vibe. So, and you do get some highlights in the tip, but the rest of the hair itself is dark. So because I want this to look really natural on me, I'm gonna tuck some behind the ear, because I'm going for a glueless vibe. Of course, I'm not going to install this on my head. So I picked this unit up for vacation actually, and then when I saw it, I was like, this will be the perfect work wig because it's nice and short It has the subtle highlights in it. And it's a real easy wig to wear. You know, it's like a throw and go basically, because you can wear it glueless. As you guys can see, I haven't added any foundation or concealer to the part. The hair is really soft. Now when I was styling it a little bit, I was wetting it and stuff, I did get a little shedding, but not a lot. I do like this, the way it is styled. I definitely would go in and wet it a little bit more. Like I said, this is a good work wig, so I didn't want to manipulate it too much before I came on camera, because I like to give you guys a honest review of hair, and I want y'all to see what y'all get straight out of the package, because this is a beginner friendly channel, and because it is a beginner friendly channel, I like to do beginner friendly styles, and I wanted this to be something that's very simple. Like most of the styles that I come with on here, I like for them to be very simple. So I want this to fall into that category. Whether or not it's 14 inches, I really can't say. I'm not one of those people that's gonna get a measuring tape out and measure it. As we know, curly hair tends to, it shrinks. So it's not gonna be as long as straight hair when you're ordering it. So keep that in mind as well. If you're getting a 14-inch anything curly, basically, it's not gonna be the same. It's not gonna come off the same as if you were to get straight hair or body wave or loose wave, because again, the textures are different. So keep that in mind. It's kind of like when you're natural. Your natural hair isn't the same as when you have it straightened. So keep that in mind as well. I do absolutely love the curls on this hair though. And I like it pulled back. I think that the highlights in the front were just a bit too much for me. Like they were too, it was too not too blonde, because I was going for blonde. I wanted the skunk stripe look, but it wasn't, I didn't like how coarse the hair was on the end, and I feel like this looks more natural to me. You have the subtle highlights, but then you still have the definition in the front, and I want you guys to see that this is, you know, this is glueless. I have not put any adhesive, no anything on there, because again, I plan on making this a work wig. This wig cost me approximately $100. I do catch stuff on sale, and when I do catch, you know, wigs on sale or hairstyles on sale, I do go ahead and purchase them, because nobody's sponsoring these videos. I'm spending my own coins, so I gotta make sure that, you know, these things are worth my money. Would I recommend this wig or this hair company? Yes, I would. This is my first time trying this hair, and I can tell you guys that it is really, really soft. I do think you get your bang for your buck. I do want to try a longer style just to see, you know, how it would look, but I think this is, like I said, this is perfect for work, and it's definitely perfect going into the spring season / summer season when it starts to get hotter. And some people don't like long hair, you know, when it gets hotter. You like a little short bob, and that's what I prefer actually when I'm working and my everyday life, because long hair, sometimes it requires more maintenance. If you're a person that like longer hair, like longer units, then you already know that it requires more maintenance. But if you're a bob person, definitely recommend this wig. Go out and get it. I really like it. You can also pick up this unit without the blonde highlights. Again, like I said, I picked this up originally for a trip. I was going on vacation, and I wanted something different, but I ended up going with a different style. So I was like, you know what? I still need to try this unit on and see what it looks like. And also, could this be something that I could wear to work? I could just incorporate into my everyday life, and it definitely can be. Like I said, this is something that's really cute, and you don't have to pull it back like this. And with it being 13x4, you can of course lay it down if you want to, but you don't have to. But you can also restyle it, so you could change it from the middle part and, you know, style it a different way. Or if you didn't want to do that, you know, you can do the slide the part to whichever side that you want to wear your hair on. For me, I don't know what it is lately about 2024, but middle parts are starting to grow on me. Y'all know in the past I've been a side part girl, especially on my left side. Like, that's just my bang. But For 2024, the middle parts have definitely been growing on me. I think that you could go in and possibly hot comb this right here if you wanted to. But I actually like the, not necessarily, you know how people say the lived in look? I like that it looks a little messy to me. I feel like that makes the hair look even more natural. So would I recommend this unit? Yes, I would. I would say go out, give Amanda Hair a try. Tell me, have you guys ever heard of this company? Have y'all ever tried it before? If y'all have, holler at me in the comments. Let me know what y'all thought about the company. Tell me, what do y'all think about this unit? Do y'all like it? Do y'all like videos like this? I do try to keep the channel beginner friendly. I hope I'm doing a good job at that. If I'm not, let me know that as well. But I think that this is a cute little bob for everyday wear. I mean, who doesn't love an everyday affordable unit? With that being said, thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel already, what are you waiting for? I post videos every week, and I promise you don't want to miss them. I post all type of things: hair content, beauty content, hauls, vlogs, a little bit of it all. So, you know, stay tuned. Make sure you got your post notification bell on as well. Thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I will catch you in my next one. Peace.